Today I will be doing a short tutorial video demonstrating how to unlock any phone out there, no matter if your phone is an old model or the newest model. The process applies and it's the same. Alright, let's go and start with the process. The first thing that you're gonna have to do is go to the dial screen. In here you will have to press *#06# and a 15-digit number should pop up on your screen. Now we have to insert an unsupported SIM. In my case, I have to insert any SIM from any GSM network except one from AT&T. Okay. I'm gonna put one from T-Mobile. And then I have to turn it on again. So after the phone is completely on, when I try to get in, I should automatically be asked for the unlock code. On my case, I already did it, so it's not gonna come up right now. But right now is where I should be looking at this message asking for the unlock code. So just go ahead and enter the unlock code that you got on your email and then press unlock, and that's it. Your phone should be completely factory unlocked and you can use it with any GSM carrier worldwide. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was very helpful, and if you have any questions, please write at support@unlockpanda.com. Okay, see you on the next video. Goodbye.